Hello everyone, I'm Grace Grogan. Paul Cannon and I travel full-time throughout Canada and the United States. While waiting for Hurricane Dorian to pass, we stayed in Gaspe, marked by the yellow dot on the map, which is in the province of Quebec. Once the rain ended, we headed out to explore this beautiful area. The city of Gaspe has colorful buildings that reflect beautifully in the York River. Jacque Cartier of France took possession of this area in 1534, and this mermaid statue, named the Great Diver, commemorates the 475th anniversary of his arrival. This shows a reflection of Hotel Baker and the Cross of Gaspe. The granite cross was installed in 1934 to commemorate the 400th anniversary of the arrival of the French explorers in Canada. Two women on stand-up paddle boards were out enjoying the water. The dog was relaxed during his ride on the board, so we were surprised when as soon as it got near the shore, it jumped off. This old, colorful horse barn was just down the road from our campground in Gaspe. The patchwork of colorful boards in multiple directions and textures, combined with old shingles under metal roofing, gave it a lot of character. Can you see the four faces in the rock? I could not find anything that gave a name for this interesting looking cliff. Beautiful landscapes were everywhere along the coast as we drove the area. These are more scenic spots on our drive. The landscape of pines and water, as well as the peninsula jutting into the water, created a relaxing image. We spotted the ship Albatross and went for a closer look. Albatross is a German ocean liner operated by the travel agency Phoenix Reason. The Albatross has 8 decks and was constructed in 1973 as the Royal Viking Sea. It became the Albatross in 2004. Perce Rock is the signature image of Gaspe Peninsula. It is 88 meters high and 475 meters long, or about 288 feet by 1,558 feet. It was originally described by Samuel D. Champlain in his 1603 captain's log. A drawing of the rock from the English conquest of 1760 shows it originally had 2 arches. The house with the red roof is Villa Frederick James, built in 1887 on the highest point of Cape Cannon. The house is threatened by erosion, and there is talk of moving it a few meters from the cliff. I was unable to locate any information about the White Cross and did not make the climb to view it. Parc des Loups-marins and Promenade de la Grève were built in 2018 as part of a major coastal rehabilitation project. 9,300 truckloads of pebbles were needed to repair coastal erosion and recreate the coastal landscape that was here when it was first inhabited in the 17th century. The Hotel La Normandie is 3 floors with 45 rooms, 37 on the waterfront. It offers all modern amenities but has no elevators, no air conditioning, and none of the rooms are wheelchair accessible. I have no idea what that church is with the white and silver steeples. It has a Russian look to it from a distance. The Gaspe Peninsula is filled with scenery, such as this location where water obviously has the ability to flow in. This area, with what looks like giant boulders along the water, was different from other waterfront areas. There weren't any real off-road trails, but Paul managed to find this spot to check out. The Cap Gaspe Lighthouse, which means end of land, is the third lighthouse in this location. The current lighthouse was built in 1950 and is the tallest in Canada at 42 feet high. Here you can see the beautiful shoreline, the colorful rooftops of a fishing village, and the interesting rock formation jutting out into the water. I was unable to locate any information on this white church and graveyard other than that it was probably once part of the greater parish of Gaspe. A sign in the yard stated it is the All Saints by the Sea, St. Paul Anglican Church, circa 1895. The beauty of the area never stops. Here we have a beach with posts used as a fence or border and people walking along the water. The view from above shows the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Construction began on the St. Michael Catholic Church in Perce in 1900. It was Perce's fifth Catholic church and the first to be built of stone. Paul snagged this photo of a waterfall while he was waiting for me. This is another scenic area where we were able to view a roadway, houses, and chicken barn across the water. I also captured a photo of the Jeep driving along the water. We came across this railroad trestle and captured photos of it from a couple different spots. Everywhere we stopped along the coastline, the views were beautiful and all had their own unique look to them. We came upon a small fishing marina and stopped in to grab a couple photos of the marina and the lobster traps stacked nearby. Many thanks from Paul and I for watching. We hope you enjoyed our photo show of Gaspe. Please give us a big thumbs up and leave us your comments below. Click that subscribe button so you can get notified each time we publish a new video so you can travel with us as we go rolling through North America.